So, you know when you have like a bunch of little chores and if you just did them, it would all be short and sweet, but for whatever reason, you get the sudden urge to do the one chore that would take the longest, like steam cleaning your carpets? Here I am, having the bed unmade, laundry to put away, and maybe like to just tidy up some dishes in the kitchen, and I actually just had the sudden urge to steam clean my carpets. Loki had an upset tummy and was having some wet stool on our carpet. So I try to do the carpet every 6 months, like once or twice a year, and it's due. I also have an urge to clean my baseboards and walls suddenly, because that just feels really productive. Actually, no, let me backtrack. I want to do a self-care day. I want to self-care and film it and do like a whole pink day for me, but I feel like I can't do that until my house is clean. You feel me? Like, I can self-care and relax when the house is clean and it feels clean and it feels just fresh and new and sparkly. So we're gonna steam clean the carpets. I'm gonna regret this in like 20 minutes, I know. This is our Hoover carpet steam cleaner. I don't know. It dries while it cleans so that your carpets won't be wet after. And the water and solution goes in here. It has a super easy thing on the bottom to throw the dirty liquid out. So same house, 2 dogs, same carpet cleaner. And you know what? It works pretty good if I say so myself. So let's get to it. Look at him hanging out like he is the whole reason I'm doing this. Hey, did you go poopy on my carpet? Yeah, you did, and now I gotta clean it. You're lucky you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, how nice. You sit pretty. Oh, I love you. Even though I'm sleeping. Ew, look at the color of the water just from the one room. Ew. That's disgusting. This is how you know it needed to get done. Okay, so the good news is we finished 2 rooms. I did the master, skipped the hallway and went to the guest room. And then I ran out of cleaning solution. So ordered some more, and I guess I could go out to the store, but I'm too lazy for that. So I ordered more on Amazon, or actually Quinn did. And I'll come back to this another day. We're moving on, we're going downstairs, and I guess we're gonna start cleaning the walls and baseboards. What is wrong with me, honestly? Why do I do this to myself? You know by now I'm a hoe for lavender, so I've got some lavender soap, or like Pine Sol, whatever it is, Mr. Clean, and my wall cleaning stick. And we're watching Love is Blind while we clean. Run away if you got hit. You're gonna eat my dollars. Right. Last night. Okay, so I ran out of cleaning solution, as we know, so the beauty room will have to get done at a later date. But the house is clean, which means I can get to my self-caring. What is going on with my hair? You know I slept good when I wake up with crazy hair. My mom has a whole collection of screenshots. They're probably gonna get played at my wedding day. I got on some pink jammies, a fluffy robe, and we're gonna do some skincare. I also got pink masks because that's who I am. My skin is so dry. I don't know if it was just like this cold spike we had and working outside. My skin is thirsty. So first I need my contacts in because I'm blind. This is a cute bubble mask. It's for clarifying and softening. Bubbles up. I think these masks are so funny. They just make me laugh because I get all poofy. My skin. Now I'm gonna do a pink clay mask and do some meal prep. Loki's puking on the carpet that I just steam cleaned. Cheers. Mask number 2. Now I'm gonna go cook some side dishes for my meal prep. guys want any of these recipes, just let me know. I post a lot of them on my Instagram. This is a spray, hypochlorous acid face and skin spray. This is for like hydrating and to help with my contact dermatitis that I sometimes get from work. Some vitamin serums. You gotta let your stuff dry in between. I'm also going to use this Glow Recipe toner. So it's kind of a strange video because like I didn't really have anything going on. It's been a busy few weeks. Like since the engagement, we've just been doing family events, catching up on house stuff and taking down Christmas, work, skating started again, the usual, you know, gym. So just living in engagement bliss. But now that things have settled down a bit, I'm here. I've just been feeling kind of overwhelmed, maybe a little even discouraged. I really want to grow my business and I really want people out there to see it and use it. And, you know, making a video that you think is gonna do well and getting 37 likes. It can just be a little disheartening sometimes, and then when you see someone else make a similar video, maybe they get like 10,000, you're just like, oh man. So I'm self-caring today to reset. I'm cleaning my home. So let's call it a mental health and home reset, if you will. So I just need to be kinder to myself. You know, I went to school for medicine, not business. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm doing this all on my own, figuring it out as I go, if so to say. So I don't know, if you're here, if you watch, if you subscribe and like, thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for supporting me. And please let me know if there's other things you'd like to see, because again, I'm kind of in a funk where I need some ideas. So. All right. Skin is glowing. I'm gonna go eat some of the yummy food I made. Yes, I'm sitting on the floor blinding myself in the sunlight so that you can see my skin.